In today's world, social media has a huge impact on the success of businesses and organizations. That's why it's so important that you build a strong presence across social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Here are some cool facts about social media. According to Marketing Sherpa, 85% of consumers within the United States are regular social media users, with 58% of those using social media to connect with brands and businesses. According to a recent Forbes study, 78% of consumers' purchases are impacted by companies' social media posts. That's why it's crucial for your business to be available on all of the top platforms as well. Marketing your business across the top social media platforms can take up a lot of time though. Jumping back and forth between the platforms can easily consume a good chunk of your day if you're not careful. That's why we've been working hard to make it easy for you to bring your social media work into Constant Contact, so both pieces of your marketing can work together. With Constant Contact, you can now create posts across multiple networks in one easy-to-use flow. You can create posts for the different platforms and even schedule them out in advance when you have some downtime. Making posts is only half of the picture though. Engaging with your Facebook and Instagram audience is another huge piece of social media marketing and building your brand. Once you connect your business account, you can use our social inbox to see and respond to all mentions and messages, as well as comments made to posts, even those you didn't do in Constant Contact, all in one place. So you can finish up that email you've been working on and switch to your social tab to spend time engaging with your social media connections. Try it free today with Constant Contact.